In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app and clicking on Photos or Library on the left. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of and use those type of dots at the top left corners to select multiple right away. If you want to keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the top left corner and hit OK. Lastly, select Move to Bin and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!